will tell you how to install SORA app in your iPhone. I will also show you how to record your cameo in SORA app to make unlimited videos.
First of all, you have to open App Store, then click on your profile, then tap on your name. Here you see country and region option, you have to click on it. Here you see search bar, you have to tap on it and search United States because you have to change your region from India to United States. Then tap on continue. Now you have to accept all terms and condition. After that you will see add option payment. You have to click none. You can also add fake US detail, then tap on done. Now click on continue and search SORA in the search bar. Now I have to install SORA app into my phone. That's why I search SORA and tap on the get button to install the app into my iPhone. After installing the app, I open it and sign up with my Google account. You can also sign up via other options appearing on the screen. It may take a little bit of time. Okay, now you have to create your username or user ID. Now you have to add your profile pic and tap on continue, but it's not mandatory to add your profile pic. It's up to you want to add it or not. Now SORA asking you to send notification and it's up to you want to allow it or not. Now you are ready to use your SORA account. As you can see, SORA is quite similar to Instagram. It can easy to use and user friendly. For creating your cameo, you have to click on the cameo create button and give all permission regarding this. In cameo recording video, SORA will ask you the number appearing on the screen. After that, he can ask you to turn your left and turn your head to the right. Now SORA is uploading your video and now you are ready to generate your videos.
So this is the way you can use the SORA app in iPhone and generate content. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.